Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Nice Guy Thomas YouTube channel. We're back with Super Surfers, episode 27. Look, GTA will come. GTA episode 8. I'm going to record it soon. It's going to come, don't worry. But right now, we're back on some Super Surfers. I want to see what we've got here. Oh, claim, thank you. Remember, we want 40,000 coins and, what was it, 25 keys, which is great. Hey. Shop. Yes. Give me 200 coins. That's great. Events. What we got? Don't know what I'm looking at. No, I'm not watching your stupid advert, my friend. Can't wait. Great, my friend. Whoa, what we got? Like, I'm good. Right, let's just go. Oh my god, we've got to get our last key. Last episode was a shambles. I had no time to record. I had to stop recording, and I lost 2 games in 6 minutes. And you know, I try to always go for 2 runs per game, depending on how long they are. And if they're 2 short runs, I normally do some extra ones. Because I normally end up about 20 minutes, because I'm normally the same level of ability every time. But last episode was a shambles, and I've come for redemption. And I'm not going to let these stupid trains stop me from being the world's best Subway Surfers player. I know my score's only 1 million, right, but I will be the world's best Subway Surfers player to ever exist. One day that will be me. Just you wait. Just you wait. Oh, shit. It's not going to happen when you're getting wobbled 25,000 in. Oh, I hate that though. Like, you can't see it, and all you can see is a pole, and you're just gonna know you're gonna have to run around it. Oh, great! Right, rolled right through. Give me coins. Jump that. Give me more coins. Jump that. You just ripped us off with one there. Why didn't you jump as high as you normally do? Being a twat. That's why. Give me the O for Morgan. Don't know why it's Morgan. Morgan Freeman. The sky will always turn red. If you love me, oh, that's an easy thing to do, and it's lovely. Mate, you know my feelings about super boots. Don't you dare try to give them to me. Oh, that's great. I got the R for Morgan. Watch, after I've done this word hunt, right, and I get this key, they're going to be like, complete 3 word hunts. I'm going to have to wait 3 days. Are you mad, kid? You just know what's going to happen, though. You just know what's going to happen. It's inevitable. I am inevitable. There's the J, just need an A and an N. Give me my magnet. Bang, miss me with that train. Dodged it like it's nothing. Like Mayweather and Canelo had a baby, and that train is a poor victim. Makes sense, doesn't it? You'll get it. Someone out there will get it. It's normally just me, right? There's no way I missed that. Jetpack, ding dong, hello. I'll turn out just fine. Soldiers, so marching on. Oh, you're kidding. Right, bullshit. No, bullshit. I didn't miss the end and I didn't hit the bin. It's ripping me off. What you want? Claim, right? Great, thanks. Claim. Yes. Brrr. Scribbly dub, yes, scribbly dub, double. I'm so sorry, I just had to make you listen to that. Brrr. Oh, that's better. Brrr. Scribbly dub, yes, scribbly dub, double, yes. It's better. Now I'm out of comedy because my eco rant was done. I don't care about the flower. Give me the pogo sticks and the magnetos. That's an N for you know what. Nice Guy Thomas, that's what. Dirty minded people. Is that dirty minded? Shouldn't be on your mind, put it that way. No, you think just because there's a train there I'm not going for the coins? Silly boy. You silly boy! Right, why did he jump? Did you see that? He jumped. By the way, I swiped left, not jump. Why would I jump in the middle of the track like that? I'm not stupid. I'm a man of tactics. I don't waste energy. You know what I mean? I waste blood clot pussyos lives, fam. That's what I do. That's how you jump that one. Jump that one. Give me the flower. That one, that one, that one, that one. That one, that one. That one, that one, that one. Mystery box, mine. Jump. Bang. Got around him. Jump. Mine. Jump. Ooh, jump. 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 Bang. Give me ×2. Whee. Wee, wee. Wee, 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 wee. Oh, literally. Okay, right. Bullshit. I missed the jetpack. Why did I climb on the trains? I wanted to just be parkour monkey for 1 minute and just climb on trains, and I missed a bunch of coins. I missed the jetpack. Are you kidding? And that jetpack would have led to a bunch of coins. And if I got those bunch of coins, I might have reached 40,000 and got the next character. Are you mad? Pussy, alright. I'm not missing one of you. I've missed too many of you. Fuck off! Oh my god, I slid left and he jumps. It's so sensitive. Bastard. Oh, that's nearly 45. I'm at 40,000. I'm at 40,000. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what this means. You know what this means. You're not the right guy, you're the right guy. 40,000. Oh, right, well, we'll get 15 keys, we'll get his next outfit. Hey. That was the worst whistle impression ever. I just did a fucking whoopee cushion. Jump! Jump! Right. Slide. Left, jump. Not right when I jump, not left when I right, not jump when I left, not left when I jump. That's my next song, ladies and gentlemen. Hate Charlie the Hermit, they're nothing. Jump when I right is the next song. Jump when I right, jump when I left, right when I left, right when I jump, left when I right, left when I jump. You're not doing the right fucking moves, you little chump. Bang. Making remixes for you. Freestyles and shit. Whee. Get me a magnet. Here we are. Magnet with need coins. Oh, there we go. And it's renewed me magnet. Things you love to see. Do 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 do. Casually singing Coronation Street while playing Subway Surfers. You know how we do. Yes, jumping over the super boots was personal because, as you know, it was purposeful because, as you know, we hate super boots on this channel. They're a rig. They're not a power up, they're a rig. Bastard. Wee. 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 It's Sammy and Mario. Wee. 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 Oh, bastard. Wee. 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 Give me yes. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Woo. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that money. Give me that money. More coins. I feel like we're tripling coins. Oh yeah, I want 2,000 coins by the end of this run. Miss me, miss me. Over the hills and far away, a million miles from LA, just anywhere away with you. I know we got to get away, someplace where no one knows our name, is anywhere away with you. Just take me anywhere, anywhere away with you. Come on, fun, less fun, less fun, over me, me. Oh, fun, little less fun, over me, me. Oh, bastard! I missed the jetpack. I hope you liked my remix of what's the song called? Is it Over the Hills or Million Miles by Rita Ora? I don't know what it's called. ×2 and a fucking pogo stick. Missed me with the super boots. Parkour. Wee. A wee. Right, fuck off. I literally jumped and he did nothing. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Bastard. What do you want? Shut up. Yay. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this episode and goodbye. I'ma keep it easy, scratch that cause that won't please me. I'll have that song to do talking. I know you ain't getting away, you ain't walking. Like at the gym, I'm lifting weights. I'ma keep it going at a steady pace. I'm blow